What's going on, my man?
It's season 3.
Season 3, baby. Let's go. I need something a little bit different on the table this year, right? We got the mashed potatoes, we got the stuffing, we got the cranberry, right? Like, what else can we do, G?
Yo, let me tell you what we're gonna do. One of the dishes we're gonna deal with is sweet potato bites, right? So you can do them either as appetizers or, you know, little dessert bites, however you want to.
Let's go. We ready?
All right, we're gonna rock and roll. All right,
okay.
So the first thing we're gonna do is
This is Foods and Dukes, baby.
I always feel the need to arm myself at this table.
This is Foods and Dukes, baby.
All
right, let's go.
So we got to do some peeling.
What we start with?
We got to do some peeling.
We got to peel up.
Yeah. So I got you. All right.
This is never a fun part.
Yeah, you're in the army now. So we're gonna
what did I do to deserve this?
We're gonna peel potatoes.
Oh, okay. Listen, fellas, this really shouldn't take that long, okay? Don't make this a project, okay? Let's get into it quickly and get out of it quickly, right?
Let's be clear about something too. This is really why you have children, right? They're not out here doing the potato peeling like they would normally do. So, you know what I mean? But make sure if you're at home, take advantage of the fact that you have to pay for college, that you have to pay for school and all their clothes and everything else that the children need. You make them peel the potatoes.
That right there.
How about that?
That right there.
All right?
That right there.
So we're good to go.
Oh, man, I made it a project.
Let's go boom. I just want to make people that you're still skinning this poor potato. Wow.
Yeah.
Yo.
This is a methodic skin.
What in the world are you doing?
You gave it deep cuts. I gave it shallow.
Right,
I gave it paper cuts. I gave paper cuts. I killed this thing by 5,000 paper cuts.
Yo, what is wrong with you? Yo.
Maybe we can use this later. I don't know.
Yeah. Well,
see, yours is not right. Yours is not right.
Sure, let's teach you how to make mulch.
I will plant this later and see what it grows.
My God. So here's what's happening. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna saute these sweet potato medallions in some butter, some cinnamon, and we're gonna show you how to top it off and complete the dish. All right. So the first thing we're gonna do is go over to the stove. I got my butter. I got my cinnamon, a touch of salt, and that's all we're gonna need for this next step. All right, here we go. Looking good, Billy Ray. Feeling good, Louis. All right, yo, these came out perfect. All right, so 15 minutes in the oven worked absolutely perfectly after we sauteed them. Look at that nutmeg. Look at that beautiful brown color. So you know what you do with that color? I can't wait. You cover it up. Immediately cover it up.
Let's get something else on that puppy.
So this is what you take a little bit of brown sugar. Get your fingers in there. Get your fingers in there. Right. Now you want to do this while it's still hot, so the brown sugar starts melting. Melty. All right. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna hit it with cinnamon again. All right, just a touch. Don't go crazy with cinnamon. Don't go crazy. All right. Because remember, we had the cinnamon in the butter when we were doing it, right? When we were sauteing it in the beginning. So you don't want to do that twice, a whole lot. All right. So we got that, and then we got marshmallows. That's it.
Because these are still a little big for the bites. We're just gonna cut them in half.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so this is really the last step. Going back in the oven for about 5 minutes, just until the marshmallows melt. We're on a temperature of 375 degrees, alright?
375 on these.
So these are going back in for just a hot second, and when they come out, we are pretty much done. Be right back.
Don't go!
These are out. The last thing we need to do is put the glazed pecans on. You can use any kind of nuts you really want. Pecans, walnuts, is that
just get the glazed pecans.
Get the glazed joints. It's amazing. Pecans. It's amazing. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna drop these on. That's it.
Try to get the holes.
Try to get the holes. Right?
Yeah, try to get the holes.
You know.
Let's find
the hole.
We don't play game shit. We get right into it.
See, so this is why you like to cook as men, right? Because if your wife said you do that, you know, how much trouble would you be in, right?
We did that. And then
that's it. So we take a touch of cinnamon like this, and we're just gonna garnish the top a little bit, and that's it. When I say garnish, you take a pinch literally in your finger and just rub your fingers together. That's all. That's it.
That's his eat.
You're done, man.
That's his eat, my friends.
Those are the sweet potato bites. Nice little appetizer for when people come in, or if you want to serve them after dinner as a treat with your coffee and dessert, whatever you want to do. But that's a quick meal. That took about 20 minutes, right?
A cool transition to something that you would have on your table that we made into something really quick and easy and nice, and you don't have to like go crazy. So
exactly.
Enjoy, my friends. Enjoy.
All right. All right.
Let's go.
We're done. Let's go.
Done. We gave you what you want. We gave you what you want, my people.
Tell a friend.